35 family members name in Arabic. Ab, father. Mother. Ibn, son. Bint, daughter. Akh, brother. Ukht, sister. Jad, grandfather. Jadda, grandmother. Hafid, grandson. Hafid, granddaughter. Am, uncle. Khal, uncle. Amma, aunt. Khala, aunt. Ibnul Am, cousin. Ibnul Khal, cousin. Bintul Am, cousin. Bintul Khal, cousin. Ibnul Akh, nephew. Ibnul Ukht, nephew. Ibnatul Akh, niece. Ibnatul Ukht, niece. Zawj, husband. Zawja, wife. Ham, father-in-law. Hama, mother-in-law. Zawjul Ibna, son-in-law. Zawjatul Ibn, daughter-in-law. Akhu Zawj, brother-in-law. Akhu Zawja, brother-in-law. Ukhtu Zawj, sister-in-law. Ukhtu Zawja, sister-in-law. Zawjul stepfather. Zawjatul Ab, stepmother. Akhun ghayru shaqiq, step brother.